global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Well, there's this general saying that the enemy of my enemy is my friend. Obviously, there is indeed something brewing between Rogers Okorocha and Hope Uzodinma. During the probe and during the dissolution or the Supreme Court judgment, it looked as if they were best of friends alongside his son-in-law Uche Nwosu. Well, it looks like the crack is beginning to show and Uzodinma himself is beginning to talk. The reason why there is a break in their relationship and he's really not ready to mend it. But before going to the news proper and further analysis, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel and to hit on the bell notification icon to get both subscribed and notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Alright, the governor of Imo State, Senator Hope Uzodinma, has alleged that he fell out with former governor Rogers Okorocha because he refused to dissolve investigation panel set up by the immediate past governor Emeka Ihedioha administration. Uzodinma, according to a statement by his media office, stated this while briefing leaders of the All Progressive Congress at an enlarged meeting of the state caucus of the party at the government house, Owerri. The governor, according to the statement titled "Why I Fell Out with Okorocha," Uzodinma said he refused to grant Okorocha's request on the dissolution of the panels. He said there were two request Okorocha made to me when I became the governor. The first was to dissolve the panel set up by Emeka Ihedioha to probe his administration. I refused to grant the request because I think the mood of Imo people was in support of the probe. The second request was to allow Dan Nwafo to remain chairman of APC in the state. I also declined that request and told him that the party rules were there to guide everyone on the matter. The governor alleged that Okorocha made the request to pave the way for his ambition to run for presidency in 2023. However, Okorocha denied ever requesting Uzodinma to stop the panel initiated by Emeka Ihedioha. Okorocha, in a statement by his media aide, Mr. Jones Onwasanaya, he said he only requested for a fair hearing from an impartial panel as he could not get justice from the current one allegedly dominated by People Democratic Party members. The statement read, Owele utilized his mandate judiciously and kept to his covenant with God and man in his 8 years as the governor of Imo State. What Okorocha has always requested, for which he has gone to court, is that impartial panels should be constituted to probe his stewardship and not the present situation, where key stakeholders of the opposition's People's Democratic Party constitute 95% of the membership of the panel probing him. All right, you guys have heard it. This is actually getting interesting. You know, at the beginning, when this romance began, a lot of persons were saying this relationship all began. If you look at it very critically, if not for the fact that Uzodinma, Governor Hope Uzodinma came into the picture, Uche Nwosu originally, by verdict of the election, then by the verdict of APC's primary election, originally was supposed to be the primary candidate. Not until of course, Adams Oshiomhole came and upsurged the situation where he said, "Look, Okorocha's rulership will not be a dynasty. Imo State will not be a kingdom for Rogers Okorocha, where when he finishes, his lineage or his in-laws or his relative will continue from where he stopped." And so there was an upsurge which brought in Hope Uzodinma. In that whole process, that led to so much things that eventually led to Emeka Ihedioha taking the day. Now, when he took the day, and Emeka Ihedioha started on a very high note, probing him, recovering so much recovery here and there, and he became a bit more uncomfortable because it was as if whoa, a lot of things were, and it wasn't going to end. And there's still 4 more years, as in 4 whole long years to go. Something needed to be done. For crying out loud, APC is the ruling party. And I'm in the ruling party, and somebody's probing me, quote and unquote. Eventually, this romance was bettered. Well, so look, Uche wants to maybe a bit difficult because from the inception, Adams Oshiomhole has, stamped his foot and look, it's not going to be a dynasty. So who are we looking at? Okay, I hope Uzodimma, since Uche had already entered another platform, it will be a bit difficult to give it to him. But can we at least use federal might? Uzodimma, this. So technically, though he's saying it's alleged, but we do know that there's always a catch. The catch is, why would I want to put all my weight on you? Okay, if you're getting in there, promise me this. And eventually, I could still remember sometime in the past, all right, I could still remember where Hope Uzodimma, Okorocha, and Rogers Okorocha came on and said, look, now that Hope Uzodimma is around, this is good news and all that he's trusting that he would disband this whole panel because, for goodness sake, he's not guilty of anything. And I could also still remember that Governor Hope Uzodimma pretended as if he didn't hear that. Okay, and the probe continued, the panel continued. I thought Emeka Ihedioha is out. Why is the panel still up and running? This is a PDP, APC for crying out loud. I'm APC, you're APC. Will you still allow the probe to go on? And all of a sudden, Hope Uzodimma is saying, I don't have a problem with the probe. If you are innocent, why are you scared of the probe? Come on, this whole thing is all about the people. It's not about you, it's not about me. It's all about the people. If the people are comfortable with the probe, why not? If not, come on, if you're innocent, you prove yourself. I will be so neutral in the probe, let it continue. But he's now saying, okay, no, that's not what I said. I'm only saying this, that all I want is a fair share. If PDP are the one, 95% of the members are making up this probe, they will not be partial with me. It's going to be some sort of party difference. But if you ask me, I would say that you should allow the probe to be, so that to a great extent, just maybe, the Imo people will eventually get to love Hope Uzodimma, meaning that, showing that he's trying to be as impartial as he can, despite the party politics being played within APC. So he's ready to even put his relationship on the line just to see that justice is being served. Of course, but then let's see how it plays out, because eventually time will tell if eventually Rogers Okorocha will come out of this on scratch. Don't forget, there's still just the same thing that has happened in Bayelsa State, where something is coming up and along the line there may likely be an election again. This may likely happen again also in Imo State, where another party is coming into the picture and speaking technical terms in this matter. So if it's possible in Bayelsa, it just may be possible in Imo State. But then let's see how it plays out, as Hope Uzodimma and Rogers Okorocha's relationship keeps getting strained by the day, and Hope Uzodimma, the governor of Imo State, looks like he's not ready to mend the relationship anytime soon, in as much as the people, Imo State people, are happy with him and happy with the proceedings that he's doing on their behalf. That's where we're going to wrap it up. What's your take on this new twist in their relationship? Let's wait in our comment section. Let's interact. Do you think this is just playing to the gallery, or do you honestly truly